Today I'm going to show you how to fix this bug that we have on Binance. So a few users have been facing this issue, and as you can see that the address verification option is not enabled, right? So the solution is very simple. It's a two-step solution. Just scroll up. On the top you will see wallet option, and click on that and choose the fiat and spot option. Okay, and wait for the page to load. On the top you will see the deposit option, right? This yellow color button. Click on that. So as you can see on the right, there's an option called identity verification, and this will lead you to a new identity verification page, and it will activate your address verification. Some users will have to change their payment options on the left in order to see this verification option. Not all users, some users. If you click this option, you will be redirected to a new page which is very similar to the normal verification page.